On July 1st, 2027, Victoria hits a turning point. The circular economy mandate calls for urgent action, rethinking how we manage food and garden organic waste, FOGO, cutting emissions, and building a sustainable future. But how can councils meet this mandate without costly infrastructure? Meet Gaia's in-vessel rapid composter, a full-service, modular, scalable, EPA-compliant system that transforms organic waste into opportunity. Victorian-owned, locally manufactured, and backed by 30 years of engineering expertise. No upfront capital. Councils pay a fixed rate per tonne, ensuring financial predictability and real savings by keeping FOGO local. Gaia slashes transport costs, lowers emissions, and supports circular economy goals. The result? Premium compost for parks, land restoration, and community resale. Compact and scalable, Gaia's system fits tight council spaces with automated 24/7 remote monitoring. Waste is transformed in just 2 to 4 weeks, far faster than traditional methods, with sealed, odor-controlled units that exceed environmental standards. Gaia employs local staff directly on council sites, reducing risk, supporting social procurement, and creating meaningful jobs in your community. Gaia offers a proven path: local jobs, premium compost, and full compliance. So as the 2027 deadline nears, will you choose Gaia?